Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your Shopify payments in Shopify Dashboard step by step clearly. To verify your Shopify payments in the Shopify Dashboard, first, log into your Shopify account. Once logged in, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Settings. In the Settings menu, select Payments. You will see your payment providers listed on this page. Check the status of each payment provider to ensure they are connected and functioning. Look for any notifications or alerts regarding your payment providers. If there are alerts, click on them to read more about the issue. Follow the provided instructions to resolve any connectivity problems. Next, scroll down to the Payment History section. Here, you will find a detailed list of all transactions made through your store. You can filter this list by date range for more specific results. Click on any transaction to see additional details. Verify that each transaction has been processed successfully. If there are any discrepancies, check your payment provider's dashboard for more information. Make sure to review the payout schedule for your payment provider as well. Confirm that your bank account information is accurate and up to date in the payment settings. To ensure everything is correct, consider running a test transaction. Monitor that test transaction in the payment history section for confirmation. Once you have verified all details, you can rest assured that your payments are functioning correctly. If you encounter further issues, consult the Shopify Help Center for additional resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.